Here's a great deal on a 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, skid plates, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.